Guys, did you know that Finland is offering up to 5-year work visa for people all around the world to come to Finland and work in Finland? In this country, which is also known as the happiest country in the world, situated in Europe, is offering various visas to attract foreign skilled and unskilled workers to move to the country to work and live in the country. One interesting thing about this is that you are able to move with your family. So if you have a family with you, if you get a job, you are able to move with your family to Finland to take up this position. Also, these jobs that are advertised are paying within the range of 2,000 to 4,000 euros. So this is something that you can really live on. After these 5 years, you are also able to move on to other jobs or improve your skills or move to other countries as well. One beautiful thing is that Finland is situated in the EU. So you are also allowed to travel to all the over 20 countries in the EU for holidays and other things as well, or to visit other countries, or even to explore other opportunities in those other countries. So today, this is the exciting news that I'm bringing to you. If you are new here, consider subscribing to this channel as I talk about study abroad, scholarships, and also work abroad. Today we are talking about the opportunity in Finland and all the details. If you are interested in this video, also share, like it, and then subscribe to this channel. So stick with me as I take you through all the details that you need to know. So the government of Finland have realized that there are a lot of labor shortages in various sectors, including delivery, care work, IT, hotel staff, chefs, health workers, and so many other sectors. So they have launched various interventions to make sure that they attract all the best people from around the world. So one other thing about working and living in Finland is that not only do you earn very high incomes, which I mentioned, ranging between 2,000 to 4,000, depending on the job that you are doing. Your family that you bring along has access to very good quality education, so they are able to attend school, which is also for free, and they also have access to very good quality healthcare. So whilst you work, you don't have to worry about the education or the health system or the health situation of your family. One thing that they have done is to bring up a lot of websites and hiring agents that are attracting workers from around the world. So what I'll show you the official websites that you can use to explore these jobs and then apply. And if you qualify and you get a job, you are able to move. One thing about this work visa is that once you get a job, the company that has hired you will be able to help you through all the protocols and all the paperwork that you need to do to be able to move to Finland. Interestingly, there are various jobs, and I'll show you the companies that are hiring as well. If you want to live in this happiest country, as they say, then it's an opportunity for you to take it up. Like I told you in my other video, if you check my channel, I talked about work in Luxembourg, how they are attracting workers, and you can check that out as well in my channel. So this is about Finland. So if you are interested in knowing all the details, continue to watch this video until the end, and then I'll show you all that you need to know. So this is the first website that I have to share with you. It's called the Work in Finland website, which is more of an official website that attracts skilled workers. So they said Work in Finland is part of a talent boost program. So this talent boost program was organized by the Finnish people to attract more workers from around the world. So if you are interested, this is the first website, and this is how you find a website. It's very easy. When you come to the website, the current jobs that are open, if you look here, you see that there are 927 jobs that are open currently, and you can go through each of them based on what you want. If you don't want to also go through all the 900, what you can do is to filter to which sector you want. So let's say healthcare. We start with healthcare, and then if you start with healthcare, it filters down to 47 jobs. So we have the strategic sourcing lead, we have a substitute or gig work, a nurse, we have community nurse, summer job, we have dental hygienists, we have various job, product manager, medical, and other things. So let's say this is a substitute or community nurse. If you click on this, it takes you to the website where you can read. One thing about here is that if you go and the description is not in English, you just need to click on your browser and then translate to English. So everything translates to English for you to read, and then you can read all the details here. You see that the job specific salary is about 2,466 euros per month. Opportunity to start work when it suits you. Versatile employees, you need a degree in nurse or something. Good interactive skills, and other things. So you read through. This is just one of the jobs. If you like this, so they say more information can be found here. This is where you apply. So you change the language to English, and then it takes you to the official call where you read every detail, and then you can click on apply for the job for this one. So first you have to create an account here, and then after you create the account, you put in your CV, your all the information that they need. The application deadline for this particular one is the 30th of April, so there's still some time. So this is how you do it. It's very easy. This is just one of the jobs that I've shown you. So let's go back to the other jobs that are there. So this is only for healthcare. There are 4 pages you can read through the ones that are available. Research trainee, chemist, whatever. So if you are interested in that part, you click on it. You can also go to the other category. There's engineering. So if you go to the engineering, there are several other jobs. Senior cloud perform architect. We have sales manager, solutions. We can go to the other category. So there's finance, there's human resource, there's manufacturing and construction. So those who want to go into construction, if you click on construction, then it's, so now you see restaurant cleaner, we have construction assistant, document controller for data center projects, we have RIMA operator or machinist, then we have construction assistant, so many other things. So you can filter. There are so many sectors here. If you click here, if you want project manager, then you see there are a lot of project management jobs that are available. So click on it just the same way that I showed you with the first job. You click on it, it takes you to the place where you can do the application. You create your profile, and then you upload your CV and other things. So this is one of the websites that you can use. So let's go to the next website. So the next website is called Jobly, jobly.fi in English, and I've changed the language to English here. So one thing you can do in Jobly is to first of all already register your account or register yourself, and then you can upload your CV. And then what they do is that this is particularly a recruitment agency, so they will be able to match your CV to the jobs that fit you, so that you don't have to do so much work to do that. If you also want to look at the jobs that are available, if you come down here, there are jobs descriptions. We have healthcare jobs, industrial jobs, hotel and restaurant work, installation and maintenance, customer services. There are so many others. So if you want to find a job, you click on find jobs. Click on find jobs. It takes you down here. You see that there are full-time jobs, there are part-time jobs as well. You have the region. This shouldn't be a problem. And then you can see the salary range. So you have the 2,000 up to the 4,000 that I mentioned in the intro video. And then this is the field. So if you click on the field, we have healthcare, industrial work, hotel and restaurant work, installation, sales, building and construction, logistics, administration, education, property maintenance, engineering, finance, management, and others. So you filter to the part that you want. So if you want to go to healthcare, you click on the healthcare, it filters to that. Some of them of course will be in Finnish, so you need to translate to English. If you translate to English, you see that everything is translated, and then you can do the application. One thing is that one of the major languages is English, so even if it is in Finnish, when you get a job, you are allowed to work in English as well. So yeah, check out these jobs as well. This is a place you can do that. If you click on my CV, then you can create your own CV here, and the companies will be able to match your CV to various jobs that come up. So this is the second website that you can use, which is very, very easy to use. So the next website that I'll show to you is what we call the Barona website. So it's Barona.fi in Finland. And what do you do there? So it's also just like the Jobly, where you find the jobs. Here you can also show open positions, or you look for open jobs. So if you click on open positions, it takes you to all the positions that are open. So if you look down here, even without filtering anything and only putting it in English, because you are going to work in English, you see that there are open jobs. Currently there are 14 jobs. One thing about this website is that they keep updating the website almost all the time, so you have to keep checking. You don't have to just say, okay, because there are 14 jobs, there are not enough jobs. No, you have to. So you see that this one application is 1 day to go. There are still some that are open, and if you look at the jobs, we have infrastructure, we have testing engineer, we have game designer, construction manager, we have business IT, quantity surveyor, sustainability trainee. We have head chef. If you are someone who has done cooking or chef, look at this, professionals in data center. So if you click this one like this, you can go through. They say please attach your English language CV in your application, detail of your work experience and salary expectation. So it's very easy. If you want to do the application, you click on apply. First read if the job meets you or meets your expectation, then you do the application by clicking on apply here, and then you do the application. So this is also very easy. And the last website is what we call Job Market Finland. So Job Market Finland is also another website that works like the others, where you can check through the jobs that are available. So if you just click on search without putting anything there, you see that they show you the jobs. So show jobs. If you click on show jobs, there are so many jobs that are available. Like the other ones, some of them are in Finnish. So if you want to change the language, you can just click here and translate to English, and then they will translate you. So we have project manager, we have barber or hairdresser, we have cashier, we have cleaning services, we have a taxi driver, 2 positions for that. Babysitter for a family, so they are looking for a nanny, a nurse, so a rehabilitation hospital. So if you are a nurse and you want to take up this position, this is something you can look at. They are looking for community nurse, full-time podiatrists, a waiter, hall shift manager, those in construction and all that. So these are all the websites that you can look at. Very easy for you to find the jobs. Look at them as well, and then you'll be able to. So the websites that I've shown is Work in Finland, where you can find the jobs even in English. Then we have the Jobly, where you can even upload your CV, so or also find jobs that are available in various sectors. Then we have the Barona, where there are also jobs as well for you to find, and they keep updating the field. So please check this website as they keep updating them. And then the final one is the job market. So check it out. Check for these websites, and I'm sure that you'll be able to find a job that suits you. Fantastic. So now you have seen and heard all the details that has to do with the move to Finland, how to find the jobs, which websites, and everything that you need to know. I've put together all the websites in the description of this video, so you don't have to go looking for them yourself. Check out the websites and then start your application. As you watch this video as well, I want to know where you're watching me from. So comment your country or where you are watching from in the comment section. Like this video so that I'll be able to give you more videos like this. And then try your application so that you'll be able to move to the happiest country in the world, in Finland, to work and stay with your family. So I wish you all the best. Send your comments in the comment section. Like the video, share and subscribe if you have not done so. And then I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.